is this?
Hmm?
What's this?
It's lemon. Dapat ikaw ang tinuturuan eh. Ba't akong tinuturuan mo?
Kaya open.
Hindi mo kaya open? Okay. Oh, what is this?
Watermelon.
Very good. This one?
Peach.
Peach. Good job, Jerry. This one?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Very good. This one? Papaya. Galing oh. Wait. How about this one?
Peanuts.
What?
Peanuts.
Lychee.
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 Di ba bigay na ako sa Bembem?
Bigay ka ni Bembem nan?
Opo.
Oh, lychee. Give ka ni Bembem.
Opo.
This one?
Mango.
Mango. Very good. This one?
Kiwi.
Good job, Jerry. And this one? What?
No.
I don't know.
Yes.
Durian.
Durian.
This one? What is this?
No.
No, you don't know. Look.
Onion.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
What is that? What is this?
Yummy. Melon.
Yung melon. This one?
Yung uyam ko yung watermelon.
Nidi-drink mong melon?
Yes, melon.
Oh, this one?
Cherry.
Cherry. This?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Galing na. This?
Some fruits.
Junk fruits? No, it's dragon fruits. Ah, dragon fruits?
Yes,
Dragon fruits. This?
I don't know.
I don't know. Longan.
You can.
This? I don't know.
Yes.
Ayan, ano to? Balingbing.
Balimbing.
Balingbing.
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Balingbing.
Balimbing.